Hi students, and welcome to CSC110 Online. My name is Kelly Jo Sanders and I am your facilitator this semester. By now you should have been able to log into Blackboard and find the CSC110 course listed in your list of courses. So when you click on that, you're going to automatically be brought to the announcement page first each time you log in. So there's an introduction, right now some explanation that you're going to want to read. Basically, once you find the announcements and you read those, it's very important that you then, over here on the left-hand side where we navigate through the course, click on Syllabus. And it's here that you're going to find the components of the syllabus. First, there's a welcome letter to online students, which you should have probably received prior to class starting from our distance learning folks. And you would have received that in your DMAC email, some important instructions. Then the course syllabus is posted in both PDF format and Microsoft Word format, so choose one of those, download them, save it, and make sure you read the course syllabus thoroughly. There's a little reference sheet, quick reference sheet that I have here, the CSC 110 due dates, that sort of lists what date each unit is due and what you can expect in the units, but do make sure that you don't rely just on this, that you do follow what is posted in the folders in Blackboard. There's a syllabus addendum if you are interested, and the competencies for this course if you're interested. And then I have a couple extra things here. We will be using Office 2013 for the course to learn Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and Access. As a student of DMAC, you are able to download that software for free. So here are the instructions to do that. There is a requirement for this course that you do use a Windows 8 machine or have access to one, and Office 2013. If you don't have access to a Windows 8 machine at your home, you can log into the DMAC Virtual Lab, which is basically a way to log into a server at DMAC and get a virtual Windows 8 machine. So there's some instructions here, and then you'll notice that there's the option, at least at the time of this video, for Windows 7 or Windows 8, and we will be using Windows 8. And then finally, some instructions for having your DMAC emails sent to your smartphone. If that would be helpful to you, you can follow those instructions. Once you've reviewed everything in the syllabus and you've read the syllabus document thoroughly, you can check out the Your Instructor link, and that's where you will find a little bit of information about me, how to contact me. And then finally, course content, which is over here on the left. If you click on that, this is the most important page of the course because it's where all the course material and assignments and content are located. So when you click on course content, you'll see what units or what items are currently available to you to work on. Before you begin in the course, I want to make sure that you're comfortable navigating in Blackboard, so take a look at these tutorials if you haven't used Blackboard before, or if you just want a refresher. The unit folders aren't always showing up the very first day that students have access to the course, because students are loaded into the Blackboard course a day before classes actually begin. So that's why you may see an announcement here explaining when you can expect the Unit 1 folder to become available. In this particular example, the Unit 1 folder is already available, but before I talk about that, let's go down at the bottom of the course content page. You will always see this link to ask questions here, and that's the place for you to click here and add a thread or post a discussion item with any questions you have that are even remotely related to the class. I do expect all of us, both you as students and me as the professor, to help answer student questions out here, so please pay attention to that discussion board and help other students when you can. So here you see a Unit 1 folder. All the work that is due for Unit 1 will be contained inside this folder, and you'll see that everything inside the folder is due on the same date. In this case, it happens to be Wednesday, January 20th. So to access the contents of Unit 1, you click on the name of the folder, and you will see the work that needs to be completed in Unit 1. When the due date has passed for Unit 1, you will see Unit 2 appear, and so on and so forth. I'll cover the contents of Unit 1 in a different video, but for now I just want you to make sure you can navigate through the course and start by reading the course syllabus, and of course contact me via email if you have any questions at all. I'm glad to have you in class this semester, and I look forward to seeing you in Unit 1.